Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we're making fried meat cutlets that stay crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. In this video, you'll learn the basics, from choosing the right meat to getting that perfect golden crust. Let's start cooking. Fried meat cutlets are thin pieces of meat that are breaded, then pan-fried until the coating turns crisp and browned. They're simple, fast, and they feel a little special even on a weeknight. If you've ever bitten into a cutlet that was greasy, pale, or dry, the good news is it's usually an easy fix. This guide covers the basics that make the difference. How to choose the right meat. How to get a crunchy coating that sticks. How to fry without burning the crumbs. And smart ways to serve them. Fried meat cutlets are popular for a reason. They're budget-friendly, kid-approved, and ready in minutes. The goal is always the same. Crispy outside. Juicy inside. What are fried meat cutlets, and what meat works best? A cutlet is all about shape and thickness. It's a piece of meat that's sliced thin or pounded thin, so it cooks quickly and evenly. That speed is what makes cutlets so forgiving on busy nights, but it's also why thickness matters. If one side is thick and the other is thin, the thin end dries out before the thick end finishes. For most pan-fried cutlets, aim for an even thickness around 1/4 inch. Thin meat also gives you a better crust-to-meat ratio, which is the whole point of breaded cutlets. When shopping, look for boneless cuts with a fine grain and minimal tough connective tissue. If you only find thicker pieces, don't stress. Just slice them horizontally, like opening a book, or pound them to size. Also, keep portions similar so everything finishes at the same time. Best meats for cutlets: chicken, pork, veal, turkey, and beef, and how each one cooks. Chicken. Chicken breast cutlets are mild and quick. They can dry out if overcooked, so keep them thin and watch the heat. Pork. Pork loin cutlets are a favorite because they stay tender and have good flavor. They're also pretty forgiving. Veal. Very tender with a delicate taste. It cooks fast, so it's best for confident heat control. Turkey. Turkey cutlets are lean like chicken, so they benefit from careful timing and a solid breading layer. Beef. Use thin cuts like top round or sirloin, pounded well. Beef can turn chewy if it's too thick or cooked too long. A simple rule. If it's thick enough to need time, it's too thick for a cutlet. How to pound and season cutlets so they fry evenly. Pound meat between plastic wrap or inside a zip-top bag, so it doesn't tear or splatter. Start from the center and work outward, using steady taps instead of heavy blows. You're shaping it as much as thinning it. Seasoning doesn't need to be complicated. A reliable base mix is salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Season both sides. Then pat the meat dry with paper towels. Dry meat helps the flour and egg grip, which helps the breading stay put in the pan. How to make crispy fried meat cutlets step by step. Crispy cutlets come from a clean workflow. Set up your stations first, then fry in calm, steady batches. Rushing is when breading slides off, oil smokes, and crumbs burn. Here's the method that holds up whether you're making chicken, pork, or turkey. Prep the cutlets. Pound to an even 1/4 inch, season both sides, and pat dry. Set up a breading station. Flour, beaten egg, then breadcrumbs. Now you know the key steps to making great fried meat cutlets at home. In the next video, we'll cover cooking tips, serving ideas, and common mistakes to avoid. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.